Hey everyone, thank you for joining in today. And today I have a big box here. This is going to be a Michaels unboxing. So I'm going to open this up quick and see what's inside. Ooh, let's see. Michaels was having a big sale the other day. And everything that's in this box here was 30% off. Let's see, and these are all a 12 set of, these are metallic acrylic paints. Oh, this is a little stuck. And this is a small tabletop easel. And then a extra kneaded eraser. Okay, let's see here. In here we have, there's black and white, red and orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then down here we have bronze, copper, like a gold color, and some silver. And they had a really good review on the website, which is another reason why I purchased this. And then the whole thing, like I said, I got a good deal. It was on sale for only $10, which I thought was really good. So I will definitely do a future video and test out all these colors in a painting and have swatches. So you can stay tuned for that. And then, like I said, these kneaded erasers are really good to have because they don't leave the little shavings behind on your paper. And then even when they do get dirty, you can bend and twist it and it'll clean itself. And then this little easel here, like I said, so you're not straining your neck all the time when you're drawing or painting. This can like lift it up a little bit. You can put a small board here and then tape whatever your project is to here. So I'll test that out too and let you know. It seems pretty sturdy. And there is quite a good lip here, an edge. It's a decent thickness there. Maybe half an inch. But yeah, that was my small haul of the day. And like I said, I will do another video showing all of these colors and an update on how stable this easel is and how well it works. And stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.